In Georgia, if you have been arrested for DUI, there can be potential consequences on your privilege to drive and your driver's license. For example, if you're arrested for DUI and have refused to submit to chemical testing that is being requested by law enforcement, then the arresting officer may issue what's called a 1205 suspension at your arrest. What that suspension means is that you have a proposed suspension on your license. The ticket and the attached suspension generally serves as a temporary limited permit while you potentially appeal the proposed suspension of your license. In order to fight that suspension, it's not as much as a reinstatement, but in order to fight that suspension, you need to file a letter with the Department of Driver Services within 30 days of your arrest, which is something that we do as part of our representation for our clients. And then subsequent to that letter, there are certain steps that we take to help you get back your license for the duration of your pending case. However, after a DUI, if you have been convicted of a DUI and need to reinstate your license, and it is a first in lifetime DUI or first in 5 years, then you are able to obtain what's called an affidavit of first conviction, which we obtain for you at your court date. And that affidavit of first conviction, while accompanied with completion of risk reduction courses, is the paperwork you need to go over to DDS and to get a temporary permit. And then after the suspension period, you're then able to reinstate your license. If you need help with your case, please give us a call and we'd be happy to help you go through it.